There have been tons of questions about Cardano ADA, and most of them are centered on how it would perform in the future. In the future, Cardano may become the most used protocol in the crypto market, and the price will rise massively. But is there something else about Cardano that is only projected for its future? Beyond the obvious features and records, is there more? Well, let's get into the video to find out more about Cardano and the 5 years to come. Be sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on a single thing. We can speculate on what value cryptocurrency may have for investors in the coming months and years, but let's face the reality. Cryptocurrency is still a new and highly speculative investment, without much history on which to base predictions. It matters less what popular experts think or say, because no one knows 100% where cryptocurrency is headed. That's why it's essential to only invest what you are prepared to lose, and stick to more conventional investments for long-term wealth building. If you were to wake up one morning and find that crypto has been banned by the developed nations and it becomes worthless, would you be okay? Frederick Stanfield, a CFP with Lifewater Wealth Management, asked. The first half of the year has been very bad for the crypto market. Bitcoin and Ethereum are down more than 50% of their all-time highs from late 2021, and while there have been small surges in recent weeks, the crypto market as a whole is largely stalled. While no one knows for sure, some experts say crypto prices could fall even further before any sustained recovery. Bitcoin hit multiple new all-time high prices in 2021, followed by big drops and more institutional buy-in from significant companies. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, notched its own new all-time high last year as well, and then crashed below $900 in June, its lowest level since the start of 2021. Cardano is not left out either. It witnessed a significant decline from its all-time high of $3.10, which was attained in September 2021, caused by the euphoria of the Alonzo hard fork, which introduced smart contracts to the platform. All the while, amid the entire situation, people's interest in crypto has not waned. It's a hot topic among investors, and Cardano has not failed to catch their attention too. Cardano is a blockchain protocol, which is considered one of the favorites of crypto retail investors. The cryptocurrency has an enthusiastic fan base, and the team behind the blockchain has received several appraisals for their calm and excellent work. This begs the question, can Cardano outperform competitors like Ethereum and Solana and become the most used network in the future? Well, let's see how it would fare in 5 years. There is no doubt that Cardano relies on a continuous and long-term strategy of further development. It has only existed since 2017 and is known to be one of the most successful and well-known cryptocurrency in the markets for years. It is not for nothing that Cardano was nicknamed the Ethereum killer. The network is a combination of security, scalability, and decentralization. Above all, it uses a scientific approach for further development. Due to the evidence-based development in phases, Cardano should continue to be one of the technically best blockchains on the market in the next few years. With every step, Cardano should gain an advantage over other blockchains. It is also set to become the fastest blockchain in the market. Processing about 100,000 transactions per second will soon be possible. This will give Cardano an extreme boost as a network and make it one, if not the most popular blockchain. In 2022, the next phase of Cardano development has begun. Increasing scalability in the Basho development phase should be a move that could see Cardano explode in the coming months and years. Everything looks set to give Cardano investors the bright future they deserve. Meanwhile, Solana and Avalanche saw a massive rise in 2021. These blockchains have a distinct advantage over Cardano, Ethereum, and other blockchains. They are highly scalable. However, if Cardano massively improves its scalability and continues to excel in areas like decentralization and security, it could be the most complete blockchain out there. This is why Cardano's long-term potential is so huge. If further developments proceed as planned, the Cardano network could explode and even come close to Ethereum in 5 years' time. Also, for a long time, the development of Cardano has been tagged as too slow and academic. This use case was missing. Meanwhile, Ethereum has significantly expanded its ecosystem and the basis of DeFi and NFTs, and both areas have experienced massive hype in the last 2 years and are growing. But Cardano took an important step in the right direction with the introduction of smart contracts in 2021. Since then, the number of transactions running on the Cardano blockchain has increased exceedingly. This is a good foundation. It is an assurance that Cardano will dominate in the future. However, Cardano must first prove that it can reach the size of Ethereum. The network needs to show that development is progressing at a certain speed and that it can become the best option for dApps. If there is no evidence of growth, it will be impossible for investors to believe in it. and opt for a long-term investment in Cardano, belief and trust must be established. Many analysts believe that Cardano has the potential for a price above $10 in the future. To bring this into reality, Cardano would have to grow massively in the next few years and also catch up with Ethereum in terms of size and importance. An investment in Cardano is recommended right now as the potential is quite huge, but the price is still very low due to the bear market. If Cardano develops according to the ideas of optimists, there can be a huge opportunity for an investment in the ADA token. In the next bull market, we could very easily see an extreme price increase. The year is 2027. It is going to be a great innovation and technological advancement, but it can also be a time of chaos which will probably not affect the crypto market. Long-term predictions are notoriously difficult to make, but they are good thought experiments. 1 year is too short of a period for fundamental changes, but 5 years is just enough for everything to change. Since Cardano is largely interested in decentralized finance, which coincidentally poses as a significant distinguishing factor, let's take a look at the future of DeFi in 5 years. As we all know, decentralized finance is an online world of alternative financial services powered by cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. DeFi uses smart contracts to replace traditional intermediaries like banks and lenders. DeFi is still in its relative infancy. With that in mind, according to some experts, there are going to be some bumps and bruises along the way with its development. But there could be an Amazon or Google of the future in the DeFi space in due time. Further refinement is the next important step for DeFi, according to Dr. Merav Ozair, a blockchain expert and fintech professor. The next step is figuring out how to make good code and kick everything up a notch. If you want total control over your assets, DeFi is where you'll find it. Surely, DeFi will thrive as its development proceeds. Bitcoin is a good indicator of the crypto market in general because it is the largest cryptocurrency by market cap and the rest of the market tends to follow its trends. It had a wild ride in 2021 and last November set an all-time high of when it went over $68,000, but then it came crashing down. Bitcoin and the broader crypto market have been sinking this year amid ongoing macroeconomic uncertainty that is mostly driven by surging inflation, a shaky stock market, rising interest rate, and recession fears. However, experts remain conflicted on whether it has bottomed out yet. Some say it already has, while others are predicting that it can fall as low as $10,000 before the end of the year. It would be a rocky start, but Bitcoin will rise and hit new all-time highs, which will automatically bring about a breakthrough in the crypto market. Cardano's volatility is more reason for investors to play the long-term growth potential. If you are buying for long-term growth potential, then there is no need to worry about the short-term swings. As an investor, the best thing you can do is not look at your crypto investment or set it and forget it. As experts continue to tell stories of price swings and crashes, emotional reactions can cause investors to act rashly and make decisions that result in losses on their investment. This was witnessed in the recent Terra Luna crash. But what are your views on this? Do let us know in the comments section below. And as always, make sure you drop a thumbs up that this video deserves. And if you don't want to miss out on future important updates, then click on the subscribe and notification button so that you can be notified immediately when we upload a new video on ADA News. Until then, you can watch our other videos to find out how ADA got here, and we'll see you in the next video.